Light 'em up.
Attention. Attention. There's a huge tsunami coming this way. Seek for higher grounds immediately.
We need a shelter, quick! I'm so glad we're out of that storm!
Oh, you guys are here? Well, I guess we can do the elimination. Team Aimers, follow me. It's elimination time! Team Aimers, as you may know last time, you guys lost the challenge, so you'll be doing the elimination. We only got 8 votes, which I don't know why I went down, but let's just get on with the elimination. If you're safe, you'll get these cool figurines that I bought, but sadly the creator died. God bless her soul. Balloon, you're the first one safe with 3 votes. Congratulations. Also safe is Glasses and Caillou with 2 votes each. Fidget Spinner, for some reason, even though you're annoying as hell, you're safe with 1 vote. Cigarette and Step, despite being useless on your team, you two are tied with 0 votes. I'm gonna let TV decide which one of you is gonna be eliminated, and that person is... Step. Step, you're the 29th contestant voted out. It's time for you to leave. Oh yeah, the storm. Maybe that'll be your 3rd challenge for today. Everyone will be waterproof from the rain and going in the water, but if you go underwater for too long, you'll die. Once the storm is over, I'll teleport you guys to Lower Mainland. The team who has all the members wiped out or has the least amount of members will be up for elimination. Brainiac, get into the shelter. We'll be safe in here.
Oh, nice going, Chefette. Now we're stuck here. Now listen here, you buffoon. I have an idea, but I'm going to need donut.
What? Why me?
Because I'm going to fill you up with chili filling, so that way you'll float and we can use you as a raft.
Come on, Balloon, pull harder. I can't. You're all too heavy. One of you needs to let go. I kind of feel bad that we had to use Donut to use as a raft. Didn't you notice that the backgrounds are changing during the storm? Oh yeah, weird. Do you think it was a good idea to go in the cave and riding a minecart to God knows where?
Oh man, it beats being in a storm, am I right?
Plus, I'm pretty sure this cave has been abandoned for years, so I think we should be fine, guys.
I mean, Mom has a point. It should be fine, guys. I think we can just sit back and relax till the challenge is over. Oh, I don't know about you guys, but this cave is giving me the heebie-jeebies.
Bubblegum, we'll be fine, alright? Just sit back and relax and enjoy the ride.
So, does anyone know where this track leads?
Oh, sure.
No, sorry, Firework. Do you think there's another universe where all of us competed for like $1 million, you guys?
Most object shows and $1 million is like the worst prize. I mean, come up with something original.
Oh no, yo, what's that up ahead?
Come on, you buffoons, push that Lord up the hill.
If you haven't filled Donut Jelly filling, this would be easier for us.
Now listen here, I'm sick and tired of carrying this team. You guys need to do your own work.
Ow, that hurt. Is anyone else okay? Partly. Looks like Bubblegum died during an impact.
I don't want to alarm anyone, but the water's starting to leak in.
Hey, look, I see an opening. Lighter, if you throw me, then I'll ring for our team. Alright, bet.
We.
Loggy, look, one of us needs to survive, and I'm letting you survive.
What?
Look, your life is more important, alright? I'll see you when the challenge is done. Take care, buddy. Whoa. Hey, team, you might want to check this out.